Hello, good morning. Thank God it's weekend. Your foundational teacher is here once again. I'm very excited to have you once again here. And just like I said, my mission is to lay a basic foundation in physics to help a learner understand the concepts and how to handle it so that he or she will not have problems. So today, I want to continue from where I stopped yesterday. So if you miss my video, please, you can go to my YouTube channel and get the video and learn. I said that it is ABC in physics. I am taking it step by step. I don't miss anything. And you don't need to rush over it, so just take your time and learn one after the other, and you will understand. You always said that physics is very, very simple and straightforward. I'm not going to jump, I'm going to take my time, and that is why I dedicate myself to do this every single day. I won't miss a day. I just want to contribute my own quota to the development and advancement of our society. So today, yesterday we talked about physical quantities, that is mechanics that I consider. So today we want to look at derived quantity, because yesterday I took time to talk about the fundamental physical quantities and their examples. So today I want to look at derived quantity. Remember, I said that physical quantities are classified into two: the fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantities. Now, yesterday I took my time to explain the fundamental physical quantities. So today's video basically on derived quantity. Now, derived physical quantities, from the word derived, are those quantities that define or expressed in terms of the fundamental physical quantities. That means they are dependent of fundamental physical quantities. They are depending on the fundamental physical quantities. That is what a derived physical quantity means. So it therefore means that before you have a derived physical quantities, you need a fundamental physical quantities that defined the derived physical quantities. And what are the examples of derived physical quantities? We have example like velocity. Of course, you notice that the velocity is a combination of two fundamental physical quantities. So we also have another example like volume, area. We also have force, we have pressure, and so many of them. So these are the examples of the derived physical quantity. Please remember that my aim is to take it bit by bit. Now, when you understand, when you can differentiate between fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantities and know how they work, we now move further. In my first video, I said that I'm going to apply the basic concept to understand physics. So that's the reason I'm taking it bit by bit. And one of those basic quantity was for you to understand physics means that you need to understand the theoretical word knowledge. You need to have that theoretical knowledge about physics. You need to have the mathematical skills, and you need to have the practical applications of it. So I'm still into what the theoretical knowledge. That's why I'm trying to establish it. When the time comes for calculations, I'm going to do that. When the time comes for diagram, I'm going to do that. So I'm not going to jump. I'm just trying to establish what the theoretical word knowledge that will help you to understand physics. I don't want to combine all of them so that you not get yourself confused. I just want you to take your time and follow me one after the other. And of course, as long as you follow me, and please, I want you to please, even if you don't need this, there are other peoples. We have so many students that are looking for it. Please try much as possible to ensure you share this video so that they can also do what? Benefit from this. I want everyone to understand. It's not the matter, this is not the time to hide knowledge. This is not the time. You don't need to like pay, okay? Now you can access every knowledge you need today. So if someone that doesn't understand, please let the person stay put and also do what? Learn, and definitely his life or her life would definitely going to improve when it comes to the knowledge of physics. So I'm going to summarize this lesson today by saying that in physical quantities, we said it can be measurable. And this physical quantity can't be classified into two, which are the fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantities. And we said when you want to differentiate between fundamental physical quantity and derived physical quantity, we said that the fundamental physical quantities are what? Independent. They are primary quantity. They are basic quantities. Okay? But the derived quantity is dependent on what? On the fundamental what? Physical quantities. Yesterday I said that the fundamental quantity, we have basic 7 of them, which I've mentioned yesterday in my previous video. Now, today we have other physical quantities are derived. That means that if the physical quantities are not derived, it can be what? Fundamental. So every quantities we have in physics can either be derived or fundamental physical quantity. Thank you very much. I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Thank you very much.